In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Thinkorswim. By the end, your charts will look cleaner, match your preferences, and display only the information you care about. We'll focus on two powerful areas: the Appearance menu for colors and visual polish, and the Style menu with chart settings for how your chart behaves and what it shows. Start on any chart and look for the small gear icon. Click it and open the Appearance section. This is where you control the overall look and feel. Begin with the background color. Choose a tone that's comfortable for your eyes, especially if you spend hours analyzing markets. Dark backgrounds reduce glare, while light ones can make thin lines pop. Next, adjust grid lines. If your chart feels cluttered, lighten or remove them. If you rely on structure, choose a subtle, contrasting grid so it's visible without being distracting. Move to volume colors to make buy and sell pressure easier to read at a glance. Matching volume colors to your candle colors helps your brain connect price and activity quickly. Speaking of candles, set the up and down candle colors to something you can interpret instantly. High contrast between up and down candles is key for clean, fast recognition. Finally, fine-tune the price axis color. A well-chosen axis color improves readability for prices and makes your cursor and labels stand out against the background. As you change these settings, keep an eye on the chart preview so you can judge readability before you commit. Next, click the Style menu on your chart. This controls the type of chart and the time frames you're working with. Candlesticks are great for visualizing open, high, low, and close. Bars give similar detail with a leaner look. Lines are perfect for simplicity and big-picture trends. Choose a time frame that matches your trading approach: shorter intervals for intraday decisions, longer ones for swing or position views. While you're here, decide whether to display pre-market and post-market data. Turning this on helps you see gaps, reactions to earnings, and overnight moves that can shape the regular session. Within the same area, open chart settings to tweak the time axis, price axis, and other details. On the time axis, adjust how much history is visible and how densely the chart packs candles, so you can zoom from a broad view to precise entry points with less effort. On the price axis, set how the scale fits your data and add a little top or bottom margin so indicators and prices aren't crammed against the edge. With the gear icons, appearance controls, and the Style menu's chart settings, you can build charts that are both attractive and efficient. Take a moment to experiment, trust your eyes, and settle on a setup that makes your analysis faster and clearer.